Oh, look at that. I didn't want to do it, but the internet made me. Oh, look at that golden roasted perfection. Oh. What I've got sitting inside this Weber is going to change the game forever. Ah, perfect. Oh, what I actually meant was introducing the snake pit. It turns your backyard Weber into a low and slow beast, and it does it with style. This thing's huge. That's what she said. Smut! I know, people have been cooking low and slow on Webers for years. I collect them, like some people collect stamps. Now, most people will use the classic snake method, stacking briquettes carefully like they're playing cold Jenga. But this is next level. Some people just don't like briquettes. They prefer lump charcoal, the chunky alpha male of fuel. No worries, just tip your favourite lump charcoal in and around the reservoir. The snake pit comes flat packed, and no, I didn't get it from IKEA. Just fold up the outer tabs to a little past 45 degrees. Now, we're not talking Celsius or Fahrenheit, we're talking degrees. And just using a little bit of pressure. There's no point going Hulk smash on this thing. Take your time and bend them up all evenly. And then test fit it in your kettle. That already looks mint, and it goes directly on the charcoal grate. But hold on to your sausage, there's more. Bend up half of the middle tabs on a 90-degree angle. Perfect if you don't have the optional diffuser. Still leaves room for a foil pan, because we're fancy like that. But what's a diffuser? This is the snake pit diffuser. Now bend all of the inner tabs up on a 90-degree angle, whack on the diffuser plate and your grill, and then you've just created the ultimate low and slow weapon of meaty destruction. The design increases thermal efficiency by creating controlled airflow. Think of it as air traffic control for fire. This weapon of barbecue perfection was dreamt up and built in Brisbane, Australia by Mark, a guy who looked at Weber and clearly said, I can do better. The snake pit protects the bowl by keeping the fuel directly off it. No more heat-stressed metal or cracking porcelain. You also get way more grill surface, more room for briskets, pork butts, or anything that moves. No more rotating the grill. No more lining up your lid vent like it's rocket science. Just smooth, steady, delicious heat. As I said earlier, this snake pit is going to turn your Weber Kettle into a killer low and slow machine. Just like Texas, but with a tin lid. Still not convinced? Let's see what the internet had to say when I posted a snippet of this online. Is this some sort of new drone? How do you cook pizza with it? Does it come in other colours? What the f*** is it? Well, there you have it. The people have spoken, mainly in confusion. 87% of confused people generally become hangry fans. If you've actually learned something from this video, you need to seek some help. But while you're waiting for that appointment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your mates.